Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best dash cam front and rear available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Choreo Dash Cam front and rear. This dual dash cam equipped with 1080p resolution front camera and waterproof rear camera. The car dash cam with 6 pieces IR LED and wide dynamic range. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night. This seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card is full. This variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to SOS file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. This dashboard camera supports up to 32 GB of micro SD card. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. This dash camera is very easy to install and operate with reference pictures and user manual. At number 6 we have Orsky Dash Cam front and rear. This Full HD 1920 by 1080p at 30 fps video front camera comes with VGA waterproof rear cam. This 6 unique infrared LED fill lights allows the dash cam to perform optimally in low light situations. This WDR technology allows for the best night video. It combined with Sony sensor and 6 glass lens and 170-degree wide-angle lens allows cams get more clear images. This high-performance chipset which enables you to take up to 1080p 30 fps Full HD videos and 12MP pictures. It is equipped with superior chip and Sony sensor. The product brings you incredibly clear video that recording your wonderful trips and ensuring you're driving safe and joyful. The 170 degrees wide-angle front camera easily covers 4 channels without visual blind spots, that providing you and your vehicle with all-round protection. The 140 degrees wide-angle waterproof rear dash camera which has 4 LED lights, that helps captures more details of the road around you. At number 5 we have IR. The dash cam will not stop recording even the SD card is full. The new videos will replace the oldest one. And the G sensor will lock the important videos when there is a shock which will not be replaced. The dash cam equipped with IR light with the inside camera. Then when the light is not enough, the light will work and the view will change to black and white. The dash cam has HDR and WDR function. The videos will be more clear even the car is driving fast. And also eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low light environments. The front and inside camera is rotatable. You can change to any angle as you like. For the suction mount you can switch in 360 degrees. Then any side will be reachable. At number 4 we have B1 Dash Cam front and rear. Its 170 degrees wide angle comes with 3-inch large screen and updated 1080p resolution. Every part of your video looks amazing. Dash cam front and rear camera that shows your images in the best possible light. The front cam images is displayed, and the car forward picture will be displayed in the driving recorder to the greatest extent. The front and rear lenses are displayed at the same time on dash camera. The rear lens screen is displayed in the upper right corner. This 1080p dash cams for cars front and rear coming with car charger with USB interface. When charging the dash cam you can also plug the data cable into the car charger to charge your phone or charging treasure. Its car safety camera can auto-detect and lock the driving recording that we need. At number 3 we have Santong Dash Cam front and rear. This dash camera front and rear automatically recording in the same time when you start car engine, which provides double protection for your safety. The 170 degrees wide-angle dual dash cam front and rear easily covers 4 channels without visual blind spots, while the 140 degrees waterproof car backup camera monitors the rear road conditions of your vehicle to ensure a safer daily driving environment. This car cameras with night vision front and rear simultaneous recording. It comes with super high resolution 1920 by 1080p FHD 30 fps lens deliver clearer videos and 12MP images. The car dash camera combination of f1.8 aperture and HDR technology that makes night shots brighter and prevents overexposure. At number 2 we have Z3D rear. It's both front and rear cameras of the Z3D Dash Cam can record in Full HD 1920 by 1080p at 30 fps. It comes with the rear camera disconnected. The front camera of the Z3D Dash Cam records in stunning WQHD 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps. It comes with imaging processor and 6-layer glass lens ensures more details are captured. so you can be sure to record details such as license plates clearly. It's both the front and rear cameras boast a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, so this dash cam records a much wider field of vision. This covers 4 lanes of traffic in front and behind, reducing blind spots to a greater extent. It comes with parking monitoring enabled. The device continues to monitor the vehicle even when the engine is switched off using its built-in battery. At number 1 we have Cambase Dash Cam front and rear. This Cambase Z3D Dash Cam front and rear and inside features with 170 degrees front camera, 120 degrees inside cabin camera and 140 degrees rear camera, which records video simultaneously at 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p. This front and inside dual dash cam recording front camera 4K UHD, and inside camera 1080p captures footage that providing clearer details. This dash cam equipped with 2160p high-performance Sony IMX335 sensor. This Cambase Dash Cam for cars can also automatically start recording after detecting vibration when parked. Guard your car 24 hours. At the loop recording mode, the dash camera will automatically cover the oldest footage with the newest one when the micro SD card is full, getting you free from the hands operation. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best dash cam front and rear for your need.